What's up? What's up? What's up? You already know. This is Speech, and I'm in Chuck E. Cheese in the middle of my son's birthday little celebration. But I wanted to do an unboxing video for y'all. I went to Best Buy, and we got... What happened? I got kids calling me. So today I went to Best Buy, and I got us some more stuff for our channel. And I'm going to show y'all what I bought. I might not unbox it. I might just show y'all. So I already have a Canon M50, but I got a new one. So this is my new Canon M50. Since we have more than one channel now, we need more than one camera to be as successful as possible. What happened? You out of time? Tell Daddy. Daddy got a card that still works. So this, Troy's not out of time. That card. Yeah. All right, so this camera is a Canon M50. I already have one of these. With this camera, what I love about it, let me go ahead and open it up for y'all. Yes, I'm doing a box opening in Chuck E. Cheese because I'm a busy person. So it comes with, you know, instructions up top. This is how it looks. I never opened it before. You ain't saw your time? Okay. All right, and this is what the inside contents look like.
Oh, I see it.
Let me flip my camera so y'all can see my neck. Yes, baby. Yep, we're gonna show the GoPro too. And then where you have the Canon M50 camera, it's all nicely wrapped, y'all. But this camera, I'm not gonna unwrap it. The screen flips out, like you can flip it out towards you. That's what I love about it, and that's why I'll go for the Canon M50. So this is my second Canon M50. One is gonna be for me to use at all times, and the other one is gonna be for Daddy them. And I got another battery pack that came with it. You just put your battery in here. Then I already have memory cards. And then this is my battery. All right, and then this is my lens. So the other M50 I got, if you go back on my channel, I actually pinned that down below. It was the M50 with 2 kit lenses. This one just has 1 lens. And I was okay with just getting 1 lens because I'm not gonna use it, the second lens, that often. I hardly use it now, so that's why this was a better buy. If you're thinking about getting the M50, honestly, that second kit lens that comes with it is $8.99. You'll save money by just getting the 1 kit lens because you're not gonna use that second lens. It does show really well, but for what I do, as far as YouTube vlogs, nah. Now, once again, this is the Canon M50, guys. I highly recommend this camera. I like it. It's affordable, and it has this flip screen, so you can flip it out and look at yourself when you're recording like selfie stuff, and I do a lot of selfies. The next thing I bought today is the GoPro Hero 9 in black. This is something I'm super excited about. Dang, my nails look so busted. Don't talk about my nails, okay? The Canon GoPro Black is the second thing I bought. This thing says, this is my first GoPro. It says it has, you know, includes all this stuff. Okay, it's in some different languages, so I don't know what that say. It says includes whatever it says, right? So let's go ahead and open this bad boy on up. All my kids over here still gambling, y'all. I call this gambling because they had that one machine. So how we're gonna open it, I guess, is right here. Got this little tear thing. So let's go ahead and tear this. I cannot wait to use this. For those of you who aren't aware, GoPros are safe. This one that I got, they said I can go up until 30 feet of water. So that's good because we do a lot of swimming and we go to a lot of water parks. So I can't wait to let McIntyre and the other kids use this while we're out at water parks or even in the pool. We swim a lot. So this is what the case looks like, GoPro. The back already got a little lint on it because I guess it's just attracts lint easily. See that? But it seems like a nice sturdy case. I'm so excited about the GoPro. Comment down below if you have a GoPro. What kind of GoPro do you have, and do you think I picked the right one? The reasons why I went with this is because this GoPro can shoot in 5K and in 4K. It also can charge with the USB. I got a second battery, which I'm going to show y'all. Did I bring it? Nope, I left it in the car. I got a second battery as well, but I left it in the car. I'm trying to move all my kids' stuff out the way so y'all can have a little clear little visual. You know what I'm saying? So this is my first time seeing this. What made me get this though is because we do a lot of theme parks and stuff. And my back ride vlogs, I want to do more of those. And so GoPro is like the best for what I'm trying to do. And it has this one in particular, the Hero 9. It has a front camera and a back camera. That's what I heard. Like, what a front and a back. I see this big old camera right here, and then on the back it's a little tiny camera. Y'all see that? That's the back camera, and then this is the front camera, or at least I assume that's what's going on over here. We're gonna learn more about it as we use it. And then it also came with this little cord to charge my battery. It came with the battery.
Was that ball?
Yep, ball. Came with a little mount thingy-majig. Some other kind of mount thingy-majig. It's so little, and that's all that's in here. I thought that lady said this thing had a stick, and she told me not to buy a stick. She was like, you don't need a stick, it comes with a stick. Look like I need a stick. I got some GoPro accessories, but I didn't bring them with me. They're in the car.
GoPro?
Yep, GoPro. We finally got a GoPro choice. So I can't wait to start shooting vlogs for y'all with this. This is what it looks like, Mac.
Well, you like that?
Yep, it's so little. Look.
You like that?
It's so tiny, y'all. For those of you who haven't had a GoPro. McIntyre has been begging for this. We're going to try this out, and for Christmas, he'll get his own GoPro. So, McIntyre, you're starting your own YouTube channel, right? What are you going to call it?
No, I call it Trick.
You're going to call it Tricks? Tricking? Okay.
I know what I will tell you.
So we're going to put this stuff.
Tell you.
He said he's not telling us. I'm not going to tell the Peach Patch's channel name. So I'm going to put this stuff back. And I have some other accessories, but I think I'm going to go back and get a long stick because I didn't buy one. Because she was like, you don't need a stick, it comes with a stick. But they had these long sticks in there, and the long sticks were only $19.99. So that's my GoPro unboxing for y'all. And then the next thing I got, which I really needed because I keep running out of storage space, and I hate deleting stuff, no lie. That's Gregory's cotton candy. I'll ask him to give you some. I got this external storage. It's 1 terabyte. See, 1 TB. 1 terabyte of storage. I bought this from Best Buy. This was $49.99. I'm a Best Buy kind of girl. I hate shopping online. Bear. Okay, go play with the bear. I hate shopping online because it takes too long to get your stuff. And I like to go in the store and ask questions. Or if I want to return something, I want to return it right away. And have somebody, like, tell me what's best. So when I went to Best Buy today, the man was like, you just running out of storage on everything. You need to get you an external hard drive. And this is the one I got. It was $49.99. Came up to like $54 because in Florida we have sales tax. Let me show y'all what this looked like. I haven't opened it yet.
Who's that, Mommy?
Cotton candy.
Who's that, Mommy?
That's cotton candy. So these are some of the things you'll need. For those of you who like, I want to do YouTube, you don't need to have a camera off back. Like, using your phone is fine. Like, start with whatever you got. But once you can afford a camera, I definitely suggest you get a camera just because it's going to be easier for storage. Because on my phone, I don't got space for nothing on my phone. Like, my phone barely want to open up a Facebook or Instagram app because it's so full.
Santa Claus one.
Santa Claus, yep, those are Santa Claus on those plates. I'm trying to open this. Give me a second. Let me open this and I'll be right back. I had to get my car keys and do it. So I finally got this thing open. So I'm going to go ahead and unbox it. Watch out, Choicey. So this is our external hard drive. I definitely advise you to get one of these, y'all, because my computer even out of storage. Just from doing YouTube videos. So this is what it looks like. It has this little plastic on it. And it has, do it got a power button or anything? Nope, it don't have nothing. It's like a big memory card. I guess that's what you can say it is. A big memory card, and it comes with a cord. Put this cord in here, and then you hook this part, the USB part. Yes, that's Chucky. What's that, baby? Black bear? Brown bear? So you will hook up your USB cord into the computer, and then you would hook this up.
What are you doing?
To your external. No, baby. I'm making a YouTube video. So you would hook. McIntyre had came and knocked the phone down. All right, Peach Patch. So what you would do is you would hook this piece, this little funny shaped piece.
Okay, hold on,
yes. Good job.
Hold on, Mommy.
That's a cup. This is real vlogging life, y'all. All right. So you will hook this little funny looking piece. You will hook that up into here. Give me a second.
Thank you.
Thank you. Drink it. Drink your drink. Give mommy 1 second, y'all. He trying to get me to drink a drink. Okay, so you will hook up this funny looking piece.
Hold on, Mommy.
That's a pizza man. A man holding a pizza.
Hold on, Mommy.
A purple monster looking thing.
Hold on, Mommy.
Let me see.
Hold on.
Let me see. I can't see it.
Dog.
A dog. All right, so that's what I'm trying to tell y'all. Give me one moment, Tootie. You will hook up this funny looking piece right here into your external hard drive. It fit perfect, y'all. Into the external hard drive. And then you hook up this USB piece. See that? This USB looking piece. You hook this up into your computer. And then you just move your files off of your computer to here. Or from out of your iCloud or whatever to here. That way you can save storage space. So if you like me and running out of storage, the man at Best Buy, he was like, look, you don't got storage on nothing. This is not good. You got to get an external hard drive. And I highly recommend this one. It's not too expensive. And it's 1 terabyte. I also have 1 terabyte of storage in my iCloud as well. But yeah, the amount of videos I record, I needed this. If you don't have a lot of money, you're working off your old computer or whatever, don't let that stop you. Okay, that's how this goes. I'm like trying to piece this back together. Don't let that stop you guys. Work off what you have and just buy your accessories to go with it. I do not have a MacBook. I have an HP laptop that is 4 years old.
Hold on,
so
Mommy.
we're working with that. And eventually I might invest in something Apple device. That is a duck. Why that's still open? Because I broke the seal. That's a man with a pizza. All right, Peach Patch, I got to get back on my mommy duties. We finna sing happy birthday to Gregory. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, you know what to do. You know what to do. Hey, hit her like it like. Hit her like it like. For your girl. Thanks for watching. Bye. Go cover it, Mac.
Boom.
Do it, Choice.
Boom.
Boom.
Hit her like you like, hit her like you like, for your girl. You like my pictures, hit her like you like. You like my videos, hit her like you like. You ain't no hater, hit her like you like. You getting paper, hit her like you like. Go like, let's go. Like to the flow. 1 like, 2 like, 3 like, 4. Hit her like you like soon as you see my videos. You know your girl funny, yeah, you know your girl dope. If you really like me, why wouldn't you hit it, yo? L to the I-K-E-Y, bae. Hit her like you like and send that love my way. L to the I-K-E-Y, bae. Hit her like you like and send that love my way. Like, let's go. Like, follow. Like, hit her like, hit her like you like. For your girl, go. Slide with a like, rock with a like. To the left, to the right, go like. Australia better like. US better like. UK hit her like. Hit her like it like. Hit her like. For your girl, take it back to the like. From the left to the right, go like. Scotland better like. Hit her like. Go left to the right, go like. Africa go like. Worldwide go like. I hope y'all like this sound. Yeah, that's right. Hit her like you like for your girl. Thanks for juking. Bye.